I am utilizing the Bid Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bid Integration Dashboard. Now click Create Integration. Now search and select Trigger, which is WPFunnel. Copy the webhook URL and fetch the data. Now go to WPFunnel Dashboard. Click on Edit. Now click on three dots in the top right corner. Then click on Webhook. Add webhook. Give a name. And paste here the webhook URL. Select Request Method. Select Request Format. Select Webhook Event. Then click on Save. Now go to your form and fill in the form to fetch data. Submitted. After submitting the form, go to the Bid Integrations dashboard. And here you can see data has been fetched successfully. Now click on Set Action. Search and select Zagomail. Give here a public API key. Please visit Zagomail API token. Generate new keys. Save it. Copy the public API key and paste it on the integration site. Authorize it. Authorization is successfully done. Next. Choose a list. Map the respective fields. Here are some advanced features in actions and conditional logic. You can use it for your requirement. Next. Finish and save it. Now go to your form and type some information. And submit the form. The form is successfully submitted. Now go to the Zagomail site and navigate to the lists. Then click on the subscribers. Here you can see that the data came successfully to the Zagomail site. Thanks for watching.